To find the centre and radius of the circle whose equation is 2x squared minus 4x plus 2y squared plus 2y minus 12 equals 0, we begin by noticing that all the terms have a common factor of 2, so we'll divide through by 2 to begin with to simplify things. So dividing every term by 2 gives us x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus y minus 6 equals 0. I then complete the square for the x terms and then the y terms. So completing the square for the x terms, I'll have a squared bracket with x at the front. Half the coefficient of the x term is -1, so that goes in the bracket, and then I subtract 1 squared, which is 1. Add on a squared bracket for the y terms. The coefficient of the y term is +1, so half of that is +half, and then subtract a half squared, which is a quarter, and minus 6 equals 0. So from here I need to collect the number terms together. So if I think of -1 as being 4 quarters, and 6 as being 24 quarters, then in total I'll have 4, and 1 is 5, and the 24 makes 29 quarters. So putting that together, I've got x minus 1 all squared plus y plus a half all squared, and then that 29 quarters I'm going to add to both sides. So I've got 29 over 4. This is now in a form where I can see the centre and radius. So the centre is at +1. Take the number in the x bracket and change the sign. The y value is -1/2. Change the sign here. So -1/2. And the radius is the square root of this. So that's square root of 29 over 2, which if I want to give as a decimal, then the square root of 29 over 4 is root 29 over 2, or as a decimal, 2.69 to 2 decimal places. So to finish, the centre is 1, -1/2, and the radius is root 29 over 2, or 2.69 to 2 decimal places.